Which parts of the brain are affected by addiction? Have you ever wondered how addiction impacts the brain? Understanding the brain's role in addiction can help us identify substance abuse and its effects. Let's break down the key areas affected by addiction. First, the prefrontal cortex is vital for decision-making and impulse control. When someone struggles with addiction, this area often becomes impaired. This impairment leads to poor judgment and difficulty resisting drug-seeking behavior. Next, we have the basal ganglia. This part of the brain is involved in motivation and habit formation. When drugs are used, they overactivate the reward circuit in the basal ganglia. Initially, this creates feelings of euphoria. However, over time, the brain becomes less sensitive to pleasure from everyday activities. The extended amygdala is another critical area. It is linked to stress and emotional responses. In addiction, this area becomes more sensitive, which can lead to heightened anxiety and withdrawal symptoms. These symptoms often drive individuals to seek out drugs again to alleviate discomfort. The mesolimbic dopamine pathway is essential for processing pleasure and reward. Drugs hijack this pathway by releasing excessive amounts of dopamine, which is a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure. This results in the intense highs experienced during drug use. The brainstem, while not directly part of the reward circuit, plays a crucial role in basic life functions. Substances can affect the brainstem, impacting vital processes such as breathing and heart rate, which can be life-threatening. The limbic system, which includes structures like the hippocampus and amygdala, is also affected. This system is responsible for emotions and memory. Substance use can alter emotional responses and disrupt memory formation, complicating recovery efforts. Lastly, the cerebral cortex processes sensory information and is involved in higher brain functions. Addiction can change how the cerebral cortex functions, affecting cognition and behavior. Now, let's talk about the anterior cingulate cortex. While it may not be the primary focus, it plays a role in error detection and motivation. Dysfunction in this area can contribute to compulsive behaviors seen in addiction, impacting decision-making and emotional regulation. Understanding these brain regions is essential for recognizing how addiction develops and persists. It highlights the need for treatment approaches that address both the physical and psychological aspects of substance use disorders. By knowing how addiction affects the brain, we can better support individuals on their journey to recovery.